In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image gallery in Carrd.co. By the end, you'll have a clean, attractive gallery that fits your site's style and showcases your images clearly. Start by opening your site in the Carrd editor and navigate to the section where you want the gallery to live. Think about placement before you add it. A gallery works well in a dedicated section or directly under a headline so visitors immediately see it. Once you're in the right spot, click the plus button to add an element and choose gallery. Carrd will drop in a default gallery so you can see how it behaves in your layout. Click the gallery on the canvas to open its settings. On the left panel, go to Images, then select Add to upload pictures from your device. Choose the photos you want to feature and confirm. Repeat this process to include multiple images. For best results, use web-optimized images that aren't too large in file size. This helps your page load quickly while still looking sharp. Consistent aspect ratios, like all landscape or all square, can also make your layout feel more polished. With your images in place, it's time to customize the look. Under Layout, you'll see a few display options. Grid arranges your images in tidy rows and columns, giving you a clean, uniform presentation. Masonry preserves each image's natural height, creating a staggered Pinterest-style layout that feels dynamic and organic. Carousel, available with Pro, turns the gallery into a slider that visitors can swipe or click through, which is great if you want to save vertical space or focus attention on one image at a time. Fine-tune the spacing to control the gaps between images. Tight spacing creates a dense, modern feel, while more generous spacing adds breathing room and a lighter look. Adjust the number of columns to set how many images appear side by side. Fewer columns make each image larger, while more columns show more images at once. Image size lets you dial in how prominent each item appears within the chosen layout. As you tweak these controls, watch how the gallery responds so you can balance clarity with visual impact. That's the entire process. Place the gallery, add your images, and refine the layout with spacing, columns, and size. Take a moment to review how it looks across different content blocks and aim for a consistent visual rhythm. When everything feels cohesive, you're done. Your Carrd site now has a thoughtfully designed image gallery ready to share your work.